today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a mousetrap the right way, so this doesn't happen to you. So if you have mice, you have some nasty rodent, or maybe, just maybe, your entire house is completely infested with the most deadliest vermin you cannot catch in an RV, and that is the rubber ducky. This is the only thing that will catch a rubber ducky, because rubber duckies are just so good at hiding. They suddenly just take off. Oh, it's like you can never seem to catch them. It's like they're playing it all cool, the little sunglasses on. And you know, they always appear just like at the right time whenever I'm having my favorite snack. It's like they're everywhere. They're always going after my peanut butter. But it's like they just, like, how did they? Dude! He couldn't have gone in there. What? You know, and at random I'll see them. Hey, you quit chewing on my mail. It's like I can't get rid of these guys. What gives? I've even seen them show up in the most unexpected places. Man, I really gotta pee. Man, I really gotta. Oh, I got you this time. What the? So this is a very basic Victor duck mousetrap. This only has 3 main components to it: the lever arm, trap wire, and the peanut butter trigger. And because you know ducks love peanut butter, we're just gonna take a dab of it and put it right on there. Move the staple from the lever arm and set that to the side. We're gonna hold this side of your duck and mouse trap. Carefully move the trap wire over and hold it down. Next, move the lever arm into position. At this point, be very, very careful. Many ducks have been slain by this next process. You hold up the trigger and you carefully lift until you feel some pressure on that trigger. Move your fingers away. The trap is now set. So you want to put these traps in a place where they are usually hiding. Oh, I think we got one. Check and see if we caught one. And there you have it! That's why you need a ducking mousetrap. So if you desperately need one of these ducking mousetraps to get rid of your ducking problem, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy as many as you need. Thanks for tuning in to Fix It Rick. My name is Rick Burrows. If you're new to this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem. Let's check the other spots. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. And here.